Hello beautiful people, and welcome to yet another beautiful tutorial. Today we're going to be doing this flag of the New Zealand country, and I'm really grateful for you guys for giving me these challenges because I get to learn more about different countries. So if you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. Hit the like button, comment and share these videos, and let's hop into making this beautiful flag. So the materials you'll require are the 0.30 millimeters fishing line, a nail cutter to cut the fishing line, white beads, red beads, and also the dark blue beads. Okay, so we're going to start. We're going to use the normal basic right angle weave pattern, where we begin with 4 beads for the base, and then we crisscross on the 4th bead like that to make a star or a full circle like this. Okay, so we've used 3 blue beads and a final blue bead like that to make the base, and then we continue to make the very first column. I actually did do quite some research on this beautiful country of New Zealand, and got to learn that it's an island located in the South Pacific Ocean, and the New Zealand flag is usually confused with the Australian flag because they share quite some similarities, but the major difference between the Australian flag and the New Zealand flag is that the New Zealand flag has got 4 stars and the Australian flag has got 6 stars. And the stars on the flag of the New Zealand flag represent the Southern Cross constellation, emphasizing the New Zealand's location in the South Pacific Ocean. And also the flag has got the Union Jack that is in the top left hand corner of the flag, that it recognizes the New Zealand's historical foundations as a former British colony and dominion. Um, if I got that right, kindly don't forget to hit the like button. And if you know more about this flag, kindly let me know down on the comment section below. As you can see here, we are we are almost done making the Union Jack that's at the top left corner of the flag. So we are proceeding on, and that's how we were able to make the Union Jack. So step by step, remember, bead by bead, you're always going to make it by the end of the day. So you need to be very patient when you're beading, and for you to be able to get this right, you need to at least have practiced the right angle weave to be able to do this beautiful flag. Thanks a lot for all the beautiful and warm comments that you guys have been giving me. I'm really grateful and humbled to see some of you, even some who are content creators in the beading field, have been able to be inspired by some of the tutorials I've done, and some of you have been able to perfect their even lettering skills just from watching our tutorials on letters. If you haven't watched those tutorials, kindly check them out. We have quite some number of letters that we've done, and we are continuing to make more. So if you are new here, kindly consider to hit that subscribe button so that anytime we have something new, you will also know. And you need to also turn on your notification bell, because we try to make a point of making a new video every single day. So kindly don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'd be first to know anytime we upload a video. Okay, remember guys that the skill sets that you gain from this channel are skills that can literally help you get some extra money or extra income. Even if you're doing this as a hobby, you can be able to earn some extra money on the side by being able to sell the products that you've done, or even teaching other people how to do beadwork. So kindly take this classes or lessons seriously. Learn the right angle weave, um, try and master it, and you can be able to get something out of it. I do have testimonials from other students who have been able to monetize their skill set and are able to make something from the side by practicing beadwork. Okay, so if you have noticed, there is a part where a mistake had been done and we were undoing that. That just goes to tell you that in bidding, you need to be quite keen. That's one thing. Um, there is something that people get wrong, especially for beginners. When you make a mistake as a beginner, you feel that you are wrong, but actually in bidding, mistakes are part of the process. Even if you're a professional, or even if you've been doing this for a very long time, you are bound to just make mistakes. So mistakes and bidding are part of the same, they're one and the same thing. Okay, but the 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 trick is to be able to spot your mistakes very early enough before you proceed on to a lengthier width, or before going too far. Okay, so you need to remember this: you are going to do mistakes. Take it from me, I still do the mistakes until today. So you just need to be able to spot them early enough. And as you can see here, we've done our Union Jack and the 4 stars, and our flag is complete. So you need to do the second bit of the flag that you have there. Okay, so once you have the 2 pieces, as I have done on the previous videos, you now go to align them and bind them into one thing. So as you can see, we've aligned them parallel, and if you can notice, the Union Jacks are not aligned on the same what do you say, on the same place. One The one on the right is on the lower side, and the one on the left is on the upper side. That is very deliberate and very intentional, because once you fold them, they are going to align properly. Okay, so once you fold them like this, as you can see, the Union Jack on this side is on the left and the other one is on the left side. Okay, so that's also something you need to consider when you're making this key holders, because you need to be quite keen on the details. Okay, because if you align them wrongly, every time someone flips the key holder, it's not going to be like the actual flag. Okay, so make sure you remember that. And also, as you have noticed, there are quite a number of tips on beading that I do have. And if you'd love to learn more about beading, kindly consider reaching out to me. My contact details are down on the description below, where we can be able to converse. And I do have private classes that I've introduced that are better, more comprehensive, better detailed, and step-by-step guidance is provided. So if you would want to get the best um tutorial, private tutorial, the lengthier ones, kindly reach out to me. My contact details are down on the description below. And here I'm going to do this deliberately. I'm going to just play this whole length in actual time, so that you see how long it may take a professional just to do this one stretch. Because some people tend to assume and think that beading doesn't take time. It's just you maybe snap a finger and your work is done, but that's not the case. And also, it's a tricky balance that I try to do here with the tutorials, because these videos take more than let's say 2 to 3 hours just to make one um like flag like this. Okay, so if I did a whole video on that and posted it here, I'm quite sure that most of you wouldn't have the patience to watch until the end, because these videos will be quite lengthy, and I'm quite sure most of you will just get bored in the first, let's say, 30 minutes. And so I tend to make these videos so that you can be able to get the idea. And I also have previous videos that I've done on introduction to right angle weaving, um, introduction to making, let's say, two colors in the right angle weave. So you can check those out on the previous videos that I've done. And if you are if you feel that you would want to get a better comprehensive detailed video, you can reach out to me so that I can share with you some. I do have some private videos that I've done for the private classes. Okay, and as you can see, we are done binding our flag. The New Zealand flag is done. It's a key holder, and I really hope that you guys love this tutorial. um let me know what flag or which country you would love to see next. And really thank you guys for sticking with me until this point. Kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and I hope to see you on our next video.